Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude.ai for professional emails. So what you're going to do is I will select here Opus, just like that, because it's most capable for ambitious work, like that. All right, what we need to do now is basically email doesn't require heavy editing, so we just need to give him uh, specific pieces of information. So we want to give a goal. So what do you want the reader to do? Then let's say something like that. To do that. Then we want the tone. So let's say something like that. It would be great. So I want to sound accountable but professional. And the last thing what we can do is basically the relationship. Who are you in email? So let's say something like that. And now we can just add to Claude to do his own thing. Okay, so as you can see, now it will give us also the options. So we have direct and forward looking, apology, brief and matter of fact. We can now also shape it a little bit. So we can, if we don't want any of this one here, we can change a little bit, something like this. It doesn't matter, you will do your own thing, just like that. Just like that, as you can see, it will also give us 3 options and that we can choose from one of it. And yeah, I think this looks pretty professional. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.